Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop WhatsApp calls from showing in call log on iPhone. Now the first thing that you need to do is just open the settings application inside your iPhone, and once you open the settings application, just click on your Apple ID and scroll down, and you will see this option called iCloud. Just click on this iCloud option and just click on save to iCloud see all. Just click on see all, and once you click on see all, go inside the iCloud drive and make sure to turn it off. Once that is turned off, come back and scroll down and find the two applications. One is phone and the second one is WhatsApp. As you can see, my WhatsApp is turned on, so make sure to turn your WhatsApp off. Once you turn it off, after that scroll up and make sure that your phone and face ID is also turned off. Once you turn off both of these, after that go back and inside your settings, scroll down and go inside the app section. And once you go inside the app section, just search your WhatsApp, find the WhatsApp application, and once you find the WhatsApp application, open it and make sure to disable the notifications. As you can see, default messaging app is messages. Make sure to select WhatsApp, and default calling app is phone, so make sure to select it to like WhatsApp. And once you set these settings, after that you won't be able to see the calls inside your call log section inside the iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.